Hey everybody, I am here today with Buck Parker from Daytona 1. And Buck, we're taking a look at the professional spray lube or penetrating spray lube today. And we happen to be standing in front of a machine because I think we wanted to talk about is how machinists can use professional spray lube.
Well, sure, it's a great little product. It's a full synthetic. What's really nice about it, if you racers or somebody is using it at home, it doesn't dissipate. It cleans at the same time as it lubricates. So it's really nice, and it stays where you want it. The nice thing for some of you guys is that it doesn't track dirt, so that's another great thing for your heim joints. But for these machinery, it steps itself up just a little bit because it really lubricates like probably nothing. It's a descendant of a product we made for NASA, so it's pretty cool.
Well, and I know here at this shop at Hendren Racing Engines, they're using it anytime they're cutting. Like this is a machine for cutting valve seats and things on a head, from what I understand. I'm not a machinist, so if I get that wrong, don't beat me up.
Half of the things he does here is sort of a secret, so he don't let me know. But yeah, he does use them for cutting and grinding, and also the tapping and drilling. If you use this product when you're drilling, you'll not dull a drill bit.
Wow. And then for racers, what are some of the uses for racers?
Any linkage, heim joints, carburetors, you name it, anything where two pieces of metal rub against each other and you want it to stay lubricated and not attract dirt, this is the product for it.
Well, I know something you and I have talked about. I didn't even bring it up before we started this interview, but we've talked about something like a WD-40 and how it can get really tacky and it gets dirt on it and it becomes gooey. So your product doesn't do that. No,
it's made. It's actually made with some additives in it, with some natural ingredients that allows it to stay clean. It physically cleans and lubricates at the same time, and it doesn't attract dirt.
Well, and other products that would be similar, they also have propulsion agents in them as well that can add to that. Like you said, they dissipate. Yeah. Correct.
Well, like some of the products that are out there today that are pressurized in a can have a propellant, and propellants are gases, and the gases will dilute your actually live product. And what you don't want to do is that's why this is in a spray container that you have to pump. There is no gases, and it doesn't dilute it, it doesn't contaminate it. And the new can that we've got coming out soon, which you'll really enjoy, it continues with this, but it'll have a trigger sprayer. All you got to do is point and spray. You can be upside down with this new product, and it'll never run out.
Well, I'm really looking forward to that. But this has, of course, been an awesome seller for us, and I have a lot of happy customers, and that they keep coming back and buying more is all I have to say about that.
This is the single cheapest, greatest product that you'll ever buy for a race car. And don't spray it on your sliding glass doors at home unless you hold them because they go too fast. They do.
Now, is there any silicone in this?
No,
gotcha.
No silicones. No.
Which is great to know because, hey, there's a lot of times there's silicone in hair products and and it's so greasy and it's just kind of icky.
This is it's a secret, but it's good stuff.
Good deal. Well, thank you so much for taking time with me today, Buck.
I appreciate it. Thanks, Kate, very much. Y'all have a good day.